Welcome to Untitled Chapter. Today we are looking at Anki's Vector Robot. It's an AI powered intelligent robot, and how we can reset or power off this particular robot. It's very hard to come by this information, so I'm going to show you how we can turn it off. This helps you recycle the robot so that if you are having trouble with the robot, you can actually make it reset itself. And I'm going to also show you further how you can recycle the entire robot. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do the power of this robot. Sometimes you wanted to travel and you wanted to turn it off. You can't make him keep alive while you're traveling, otherwise he's gonna make noise as well as get hurt. So here we go. I'm gonna show you how to turn it off. So what you gotta do is take the robot and place it into the charging port that it comes with, and that will ensure the robot is going to go on the power shutdown mode. So typically, the button that you have on the top, it's a small black button near that lights on his back. You're going to press that for 5 seconds. So press it for 5 seconds. As you can see, it shut down itself. So the robot is no longer active. So it's turned off. So that's how you do the shutdown. But if you want further recycle the robot, all you got to do is place it back in the dock and press it for 15 seconds, and that will recycle and reset the robot. So power off is 5 seconds, recycle is 15 seconds. I hope this information helps you, and it's easy to travel with him when he is shut down. Good luck.